last time you would see this car this high. We're on our way up to Orlando to speak with Hard Park Performance. They're the ones that normally do my suspension, my airlifts, and all that stuff. So we're heading up there right now. Get this car lowered. First step is going to do the lowering springs. See how that rides. Get used to handling the car and the power. And then I might jump it up to my air suspension. Let's go. What's up, guys? So we finally made it up here. We go up here to Orlando. Damn, I know. Do I need a cut? I'm gonna get that taken care of. Don't worry about it. My boy Felipe at Barberology. Give him a shout out down here in Florida, Bradenton, Florida. Hit him up. Bam! He get you right, get you nice. Appointment based only. But so I'm trying to make sure I know where I'm going. But I worked with Hard Park Performance before. Awesome, professional guys. Take care, get you in and out. That's what I like, you know what I mean? Because we do got stuff to do. I know we got some other things to do with that. I know they got stuff to do. So bam, bam, in and out. Hope you enjoy this video. Go over what kind of springs I got. It's in the trunk. And yeah, see you in a minute. SR performance springs going on. My man over here about to put them on, get it all squared away. Take this big ass wheel gap away. That's a 4-finger wheel gap. 4-finger discount. Almost 3 there. I got something new last night. And we get it. And I found these. I'm gonna put these on. My little mud flaps. 01 mud flaps. We'll put this on real quick here. Boop, boop, boop. So these are replacement springs. These are for the back, right? Yeah. Gonna replace. You can't really see it. The black one's back here. These are ones that came from the factory. For the front, just gotta order the rear. Should be the same as the other one. Screws. Oh, they all push buttons. Huh. Alright, well, should be fairly simple. See in a minute. You say it's routed different. What do you mean?
Yeah, the exhaust is just closer to the bolt that's got to come out.
I was about to get a kit. I'm not sure if it's a Shrine kit or which one. I was about to get a kit. Looks good though. Can't wait to see it all finalized. Super great. Oh, my boy has a very bad truck out here. Hold on, let me show you. Here it goes. Ooh, Mr. Nelson, boy. Look at this truck, bro. Green. Here he goes. Hard Park Performance. right there. Posted. Very nice. When I say this truck can run, guys, this truck can run. Put up on it if you want to. You're gonna learn. How many? It's gotta be over 200 cars in here, easy.
What's that?
Has to be over 200 cars in here. Has to be. Has to be. Crazy amount of cars. Old school Beetles. Indiana Jones. Okay, it might just be me, but if you ever seen Cars, this reminds me of the guy that's in the army car. Look. It does, don't it? Okay. Maybe it doesn't. It's just me. It's cool though. Oh, look at this rocket man. Crazy.
Like your other one, it was really easy to get to?
Yeah, the Challenger? Yeah. So I guess some Chargers a little different.
No, it's just whoever made this exhaust.
Last time, we put the big ones.
Yeah, see, it has an oar on it. I'm gonna go with these.
Too funny though. Too funny.
It only take me, what, 45 minutes anyways?
Yeah. It was funny. Thought we took the bags off.
Yeah. Full bags.
That's funny. Funny story with the Challenger, right? So we took off the air suspension I had on the Challenger, right? And then he went to put on the springs, but we put on the front springs in the back. So we couldn't figure out why the car set so low. That was just a funny time.
Thicker than that. As you can see, these are the fronts.
Yeah.
This is how big they are. And they should have an F on them.
We know that's
Yeah, see, it says front.
Yeah. I was wondering why this is so much thicker than these.
So spring load. But if you notice how these coils are closer together here,
Yep.
that means that this is actually a tighter coil. So these will probably ride stiffer than those. These might be thicker, but they're actually a softer metal.
Softer metal. Oh, gotcha.
Oh no, I broke it.
That's already done. Still a little high, but he says it's gonna settle, so we'll wait and see. Working on the fronts right now. Man with the master plan. All done. I'm about to say, we ain't running to Nelson yet, but
You know, we got VIP right here, you know, your bodyguard.
yes, it's the bodyguard. That's gonna be the new car. Yeah, real quick, this is my old setup. Contact me, Instagram, Facebook, if you would like my air suspension box setup. Just the box. It's already engraved. Let me know. We'll get that to you. Look at this Jeep too. Man. It ain't everything. Bad, bad, bad. Here we go, guys. leaving Hard Park Performance. I got the Lawrence Smooth put on. The
Continue on
SR
I-4
Performance.
West, 65 miles.
So I'm trying to make sure I know what I'm doing. I was told whenever you lower the car, kind of loses a little bit, but honestly, I haven't felt anything different yet. The car does feel a little more stiffer than it did the last time, as in the suspension. It's not as soft, if you know what I'm talking about. Other than that, I'm happy with it so far. I'm waiting for it to settle. Follow me on Instagram. I'll show y'all some boomerangs or videos on there of it settled down. And yeah, stay tuned. Remember, subscribe, like, comment, share. Follow your boy. Come on, man. Y'all doing great. Keep supporting. Have a great day. Have a blessed day.